Now that many of the Illinois state-mandated trainings are on a 5-year cycle, it can be a little confusing to know which ones you'll need to work on each year. It's also different this year because the trainings do not have the school year in the title. That is because they now all have expiration dates, so you are essentially completing the same course just at different intervals. The best place to start after logging in is to navigate to the My Learning page. Here you will either see a list of courses or the specific programs assigned to you by your administrator. The first step I recommend is to switch from grid view to list view by using the button in the top right corner. This will expose the expiration date for each course, letting you know which trainings you are supposed to be completing. You do not have to wait for the expiration date to occur to complete the course. Simply click the 3 little dots on the right and choose Re-Enroll. Make sure not to choose Review because that will not push the expiration date back on whatever course you're working on. Some of you may only see the completed program from last year. If that is the case, you can click on the title of the program and that will show you all of the included courses in that program and their expiration dates. Find the course that is set to expire this year and choose Re-Enroll from the 3 dots on the right. Remember to choose Re-Enroll at the course level and not Review. I hope that this brief tutorial will help guide you through the process of completing your mandated trainings for this school year. If you are still having difficulty after watching this video, please contact support@edleadersnetwork.org.